just completed phase one of the rolling restoration of my 380 SL, which I've named Cherry, and I'm amazed at the results. I've had this thing out on the road. The engine's running superbly. It's smooth. It's a real joy to drive. The restoration is not over yet. Now, in the next couple videos, I'm going to talk about everything we've done in phase one, and I'm going to address the issues that we're going to work on in phase two. But for right now, I could drive this car. But in this video, I want to address an issue that I've been getting a lot of questions about. It has to do with these valve covers right here. Quite a few viewers have asked, hey, Kent, how did you get these valve covers looking so nice? I mean, they weren't looking very nice when I pulled them off to inspect the camshafts and replace the valve cover gaskets. But this is a really interesting challenge, because you have to clean the valve cover so it looks like factory. Now, I know some of you will take polishing to it and want to look like chrome, but that's not something I like. I like the valve covers to have a clean aluminum look. So the challenge in cleaning these is to not discolor the aluminum and to not over polish it. Now, I'm going to take you into the shop now, and we're going to take a real close look at another valve cover I'm currently working on. Let me show you another V8 valve cover I've been working on. This is off an early 4.5 V8. You know, these V8 valve covers are the same from 1970 all the way up to 1991. And the principles of cleaning these applies to a lot of the models back into the 50s and 1960s, both the 4-cylinder, 5-cylinder, gas, diesel, or whatever. Most of these old valve covers look like this right in here. This is what you see when you open the hood. Now, many people have tried different ways of cleaning these. A lot of people have resorted to aluminum polish. And what aluminum polish does, it gives you that nice shine, which is not factory. And I personally don't like that. I don't like that look on a Mercedes-Benz. I like this look here, the natural aluminum look like you saw on these cars from the factory. And that is really difficult to replicate. Most of the time you'll end up like this, or if you use some harsh acids, aluminum cleaners to clean this aluminum, you may end up with streaking and bad staining in the aluminum alloy that you can't get out. Remember, this is not straight aluminum. So there's some things in this aluminum that make it very difficult to clean properly. Now here's the deal. Everybody wants to know how I clean my valve covers. I consider this a trade secret because I spent a month trying to figure out how to do this. So what I'm asking is for you to participate in my channel by sponsoring me. I don't have any sponsors. You know, I started out on this 107 series hoping to get a better response. I've been kind of disappointed in the response. So I need to find out if people really want me to continue this series in the R107s. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the video up on how to clean the valve cover on my website. I'm going to half the price to where it's only going to cost you about as much as an espresso. Now let's see if you really want me to continue this R107 series. I'm asking that you help support my channel by going in and purchasing this video. And then you're going to be able to make the valve covers on your old Mercedes look like this.